Let's see how we can install and run XAMPP and WordPress on Windows 11. Type download XAMPP for Windows 11, search, and click on this first result from apachefriends.org. Make sure the website is this. Click on download XAMPP, and here you will see these options. Now you can choose which PHP version to install XAMPP for, PHP 8.2, 8.1 or 8.0. Now we will install the latest 8.2. Click on download 64-bit, and now you will see this option. Your download will start automatically. If it does not, click here. The download should start automatically, but for some reason it has not started yet. Okay, as you can see now it has started, and it will take quite some time. Okay, as you can see here, the file is complete. Now you can double click on it to open, or just click on open file. Now you will see this option, or you might not see this option. As you can see here, it says it is showing that antivirus is running. In some cases, this might slow down the interface or interfere with the installation. No one need to worry about this. Just click on yes. Click on yes again. Click on next. Leave these all selected. No need to change any of these. Click next again, and this is where your XAMPP will be installed. Click next. I had already installed XAMPP, and it is saying that the folder is not empty, and it is asking me to choose a different folder. If you don't have this folder called XAMPP without files in it, this next will work. So what I'll do right now is I'll just go here, and I will delete my existing. Okay, so I will have to go to my C drive. And I will just delete the whole folder. I already had installed, and these files were remaining from the previous uninstall. So now you can click on next and click next again. And now you can see XAMPP is installing. As you can see, the download and install is complete now. And this is checked here. No need to do anything with this. Just click on finish and XAMPP control panel will open. So we have all these modules here, these 5 modules. Now most of the time you will only need to use Apache and MySQL. Let's see if this works or not. Start this, and it is now running. We can also start MySQL and see if it's working or not. And as you can see, both of these are working. Let's go to our browser and type localhost and see if it works or not. As you can see, XAMPP is now working. Let's check if phpMyAdmin works or not. And as you can see, phpMyAdmin is also working. Let's see how we can install WordPress on Windows 11. Type download WordPress. Now you will go to this result that shows wordpress.org/download. Click on this. You will see these options: download and install it yourself, set up with the hosting provider. You need to select this one, WordPress 6.2.2. When you are watching this, the version might be greater. No worries, you can just click on this download WordPress button. Download is started. After the download is completed, go to the downloads folder or wherever your file is downloaded, copy it, and then go to your XAMPP installation directory, and then go inside this htdocs folder, paste it here. Now right click on it and click on extract all or unzip according to whatever options you see. So click on extract all and remove the 6.2.2 from here. So we will extract all the files inside this WordPress directory. Click extract. Now it will start extracting all the contents to WordPress folder. Once the extract is complete, you can press Windows key and type XAMPP. In XAMPP, start Apache and start MySQL. Now go to your browser, open a new tab and go localhost/WordPress. Now you will see this directory WordPress. Click on this, and as you can see, the WordPress installation has started. Now you can choose on language. Let's choose English. Click continue. Now you want to set up database name, username, password, and host. Just click on let's go. Let's say we want to make a database name testdb. Username is root. Now we don't have a password here. When we created or when we installed XAMPP, we did not set a root password for our phpMyAdmin MySQL database. So let's not do this. It is empty. This is localhost also, and you can leave this as it is. Now click on submit. Okay, so we need to create testdb first because we have not created testdb. So go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. And here it's not testdb, we have test only. So let's go back here. Let's click this back button, and instead of test_db, we just write test. Let's submit now. And as you can see, we have moved ahead, and now we can just click on run the installation, and the installation will start of WordPress. Okay, so installation is started. Let's write the site title, my WP site. Let's have username admin, and let's just make this admin123 for now, and confirm password. Let's just set email codecity@gmail.com, and leave this as it is. Do not discourage, do not check this, because if you do this, your website will not be visible to search engines, or it will not be indexed by search engines. Now just click on install WordPress. Now our WordPress is installed. We can log in. The username can be admin and the password was admin123. Now as you can see, we are inside the WordPress admin panel, and we can do add post here, we can add media and all that good stuff. Now as you can see here, we have two things here, WordPress/WordPress, but if I remove this, it will not work because it looks like in our WordPress folder there is another WordPress folder. Before installing, make sure you do it before installing, or you can just delete it and reinstall. Make sure you move all these things here so that there is all those files are directly inside this WordPress folder, not inside another WordPress folder. That's why I have to do this. Okay, so now I hit enter and WordPress admin should open. Okay, now let's check the WordPress site. Let's remove the WP admin from here. Okay, so our site is working. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.